Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you PNB mobile bank not working. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working. Turn your Wi-Fi off, then on again, or switch to mobile data. And try opening any website to test internet. If internet is not working, the app will not work properly. The second step is restart your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can fix many problems. This helps remove small bugs and glitches. And the another step is update the app. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For the update, open Play Store or App Store, search for the app and tap on update option if it is available. And the another step is clear app cache. Clearing cache can fix loading and crashing issues. First, you need to go to the phone setting and tap on app management or apps. Select the app or app list. Then search for logging app. Tap on storage and cache and click clear cache. This removes temporary files causing problems. And the last step is reinstall the app. If nothing works, reinstall the app, restart your phone, install the app again from Play Store or App Store, and by doing all of it, this gives a fresh start to the app. So if none of this helps, you can contact the customer service of the app by going on help center, and they may help you to solve the issue coming on the app. So that's it. These are the best way to fix app problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.